Welcome to our channel. Let me guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Lionbridge account with ease and confidence. Welcome to our channel. Accessing your Lionbridge account is simple once you know the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Lionbridge website. At the top of the home page, you will find the Login button. Click on it to proceed. Next, you will be directed to the Login page where you need to enter your registered email address in the email field. Make sure to double-check for accuracy to avoid any login issues. Then, type your secure password in the password field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so enter it exactly as you created it. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, just click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it via your registered email. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your Lionbridge account dashboard where you can access all your projects and profile information securely. For added security, Lionbridge may prompt for two-factor authentication if you have enabled this feature. Simply follow the prompts to enter the verification code sent to your device. That covers the entire login process in a clear and straightforward way. Staying logged in is as easy as checking the Remember Me box on the login page before submitting your credentials. This allows quick access in the future without having to enter your details every time. Now you have everything you need to log into your Lionbridge account smoothly and securely. Don't forget to keep your login information private and to log out from public devices to protect your account. Lastly, if you encounter any issues, the Lionbridge support team is always available to assist you. Thank you for watching this detailed tutorial on logging into your Lionbridge account step by step. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found this guide helpful.